Gotta help the environment out.
Absolutely. Let's move on.
Oh, sometimes words are hard in the morning, Rob. Let's talk about that forecast, though. You're always good at telling the weather.
Yeah, you know, the heat does a little thing to your brain too, right, Matt?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't ask me.
Yeah, so it's going to be a warm one today, and it's not only warmer today with highs close to 90, it's also coming with a little bit more humidity. You're definitely going to notice a bit more of that muggy atmosphere in place here today. Muscle Shoals, as we look off to the west, just a few fair weather clouds popping up in this view, brought to you by the Thompson Roofing and Construction Sky Camera Network. 81 degrees, but that was at the 11 o'clock update, so about 50 minutes ago, so likely 2-3 degrees warmer than that at the next update. And it's not just the temperatures. That dew point of 67, that's about 10 degrees higher than this hour yesterday. So we definitely have a lot more moisture in the atmosphere here today. So a little uncomfortable out there. Make sure you're hydrated, stay cool, and also have that sun protection. UV index is in the very high range today. Some more locations sitting in the low 80s, Huntsville at 82, same for Decatur. And what we expect here through this afternoon, we're going to warm to about 89 degrees for some spots. Could have a few spots briefly touch 90 for the first time of 2022. And if we're going to see any bit of a stray pop-up shower, it's going to be mostly near and west of I-65. But even areas closer to the shoals, those chances for seeing any rain today are very, very low. Look at the Way 31 Storm Tracker early warning radar network. We just have some of those fair weather clouds on the satellite. We are all dry on the radar network. If we put this into animation, you'll notice over the last hour, starting to see the clouds filling in. Again, that's just that heat and instability. The other thing you may notice, we are tracking quite a bit of haze in the atmosphere. You can really notice that for the sunrises and sunsets. And about a couple minutes ago, Matt Crozier was talking about the big fires burning in New Mexico. And we've got this big ridge of high pressure that's parked in the middle of the country. So what you'll notice right now, all that smoke coming out of those wildfires burning in New Mexico, kind of going around that high pressure system, that clockwise flow. And then you'll notice diving back down on the eastern side of that high. And look at all this smoke, again, originally coming from New Mexico. It will be diving south through the rest of this upcoming afternoon into this evening. Right around 6-7 o'clock this evening, that next big batch of smoke moves in. So you're likely going to notice a red-orange sunset today with all that smoke from New Mexico. Day planner for tomorrow, probably another red-orange sunrise for tomorrow morning. Temperatures in the mid-80s, but keeping those rain chances close to 0. So look at future radar. Just seeing a few stray pop-ups here this afternoon. It's going to be tough to get anything. And then by tomorrow morning, a few clouds. And then we're back to mostly sunny skies heading into your Thursday afternoon. Then into Friday. That's when we start to see a slightly better chance for some pop-ups. This is around 2 o'clock on Friday. Still seeing a few pop-up showers, isolated storms all the way through the late afternoon hours. Look at the rainfall. Through the next 3 days, so this goes through Friday, we're talking a trace at best. We're just not expecting much rainfall to end the work week. And then even through the next 7 days, some areas could stay completely dry. So we're just not too excited about rainfall over the next 7 days. You'll notice on Saturday afternoon, we have this one little thunderstorm complex moving in from out of the northwest, but it mostly just misses us off to the west. And then Sunday afternoon, still tracking mostly dry conditions. And then by Monday, that's when the next cold front moves through. But even that cold front falls apart as it moves in from out of the northwest. So we may need to drop that 30% chance a little bit lower on Monday. And look at the temperatures. Highs staying in the mid to upper 80s all the way through the next 7 days. We could even be chasing 90 again by Tuesday and Wednesday of next week.